So what I'm going to talk to you about today is getting stuck in this push-pull with energy and being in kind of this limbo state. So this was me. I was always very motivated, very driven, had these big dreams and goals that I was working towards, and I would push myself out into the world. I would push and push and push and hustle, then I would burn out, then I would have to pull back and completely switch off from everything, cut off the outside world, hide in my cave, because it was all too much. And I would continue this cycle for years and years of push, pull, and being stuck in limbo with this energy. Now, this is actually a myth, especially if you are sensitive or if you are neurodivergent, and you are driven. We actually don't want to start with the push. And this is something that is conditioned into us from a young age. You know, you do the work now, rest later, play later. But it is actually the other way round. So we've been conditioned for so many years to start with the masculine energy of doing, and then we can rest. We can be in that feminine energy of being. But it is actually the other way round. When we step into our feminine energy of being and we spend our days, if we start our days with that feminine energy, so being in our bodies, doing movement, doing meditation, being in nature, whatever that thing is that nourishes us, the action will naturally come. And we won't end up in this push-pull dynamic with our energy being like, okay, we've got energy, let's go. Oh no, I'm really drained again. I need to come back and rest and recharge. When we start our day, or just in general, we start our activities from that feminine energy of being, that masculine energy of doing naturally comes. And this is how we find safety in the body that enables us to take those quantum leaps. So we can totally honour that part of ourselves that is that big dreamer, those big missions, those big goals. We can set that in place and we know that is where we are heading. And then we step into that being energy and we're embodied, and then we receive that information, and then naturally that masculine energy comes, and we naturally then put that information out into the world and start taking those small steps towards our dream, our goal, our mission, our vision, why we are here on this planet. So if this resonates, I have a full podcast episode on this. It is episode number 88. Finding safety in the body leads to quantum leaps. Go check that out. The link is in my bio. If you love the podcast, please leave me a review so I can help more people.